Hey everyone, I'm Sreya, I'm a sophomore, and welcome to McMichael Hall. Come on inside. Hey, this is the McMichael Lounge area. This is where sometimes you can sit and study with your friends. This is my room. I live in a single, so I don't have a roommate. So I have a single bed. This is my study table. You cannot see, but I have books all lined up. And the cool part about my room is that I have a sink and a mirror. So it's really convenient for me. I have 2 dressers and there are 2 closets on the other side. And I would say you can bring your microwave and your refrigerator along with you when you come to your dorm. This is the basement area. As you can see, there are washing machines here where you get to wash your clothes. It takes only $3 to wash and dry, and there is a machine which converts your dollars to quarters, which is really convenient. So this is the kitchen, and this is where you can cook or bake with your friends, and this is also a sink. So the coolest feature of McMichael Hall is our balcony, so follow me. I think this is the coolest feature of this res hall because you can sit here on a gorgeous fall evening and chat with your friends, or you can have a good Instagram photo shoot over here. Thanks for coming along on a tour with me, and I hope I'm gonna see you on campus soon. Bye-bye.